In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make star-shaped fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2. To begin, gather the materials you need. You will need 1 gunpowder, 1 gold nugget, and 1 dye to make the firework star. Then you will also need 1 paper, and between 1 and 3 more gunpowder to make the actual firework rocket. Make sure all of these items are in your inventory before you start, so the process goes smoothly. Once you have everything ready, go to a crafting table and open it. This gives you the full crafting grid, which you need for both parts of the recipe. The first item you will make is the special firework star that controls the explosion effect. Place 1 gunpowder into the crafting grid, add 1 gold nugget and 1 dye. When these items are combined, they create a star-shaped firework star. The dye you choose will control the color of the explosion, and the gold nugget is what changes the explosion pattern into the star shape. Without the gold nugget, the firework star will not have that star-shaped effect, so make sure you include it. After that, take the star-shaped firework star and move on to crafting the rocket itself. In the crafting table, place 1 paper, then add the firework star you just made, and finally add between 1 and 3 gunpowder. This will create a firework rocket that carries the star-shaped explosion effect. The amount of gunpowder you use in the rocket changes how high the firework flies before it explodes. If you use 1 gunpowder, the rocket will fly a shorter distance. If you use 2 or 3, it will travel higher into the sky. The explosion effect will still be star-shaped as long as you included the correct firework star in the recipe. Once the rocket is crafted, move it into your inventory and equip it. Then launch the firework rocket in an open area so you can clearly see the effect. When it explodes, you will get a star-shaped burst in the color of the dye you used earlier. That is the full process for making star-shaped fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2. Gather the materials, craft the special firework star, combine it into a rocket, and then launch it to enjoy the effect. And that is all there is to it.